Guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money on YouTube by re-uploading movies to your channel. So doing this, you have to make sure that you fall within the YouTube's fair usage, so that your video don't get copyrighted. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that from start to finish. So if you want to know how to do that, please watch the video till the end. And first of all, I'm going to show you guys some couple of channels that are already doing this, so that you know that it's possible and it's very easy to start. So if that's what you're interested in, please keep watching, give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see it. So let's just get started into the video. So the first what I want to show you first of all is a couple of channels that are already doing this. For example, movie recaps. If you see them, they have about 2 million subscribers, and you see their channels, they don't do much for the thumbnails. Just the title is just straightforward, kind of like a summary of what the movie is all about. Like this one, humans are forced to return to Earth after 1,000 years as their spaceship begins to malfunction. Just something basic that shows what the movie is about. And see, the thumbnail is just a clip, just a screenshot from a part of the movie. So it's nothing clickbait, it's just straightforward. But if you see this channel, if you want to check how much they are making, you just go to a site called Social Blade. Here you see the statistics from the channel, and as you can see, this is not a channel. This is not. Look for another one. That's the channel they are showing there. They're showing something different. This one has about 21,000 subscribers. Captain fantastic captain. Yeah, this one just 21,000 subscribers, and they are making between 1.3 to $20,000 monthly, and they just have 21,000 subscribers. So you can see some channels are already doing this. This is Mystery Recapped. They are, I think, one of the biggest channels in this
Mystery
niche.
Recapped here. Today, I'm going to explain a Korean fantasy film called The Miracle. Spoilers ahead.
So,
Watch out
and I
and
noticed they
take care.
also review movies that are a bit, they review more of sci-fi
The story
movies. I
surrounds
think
a pair of
sci-fi movies
opposite
are
twins, Sumi and
get more
Rina.
views.
Sumi is shy and likes to spend time locked up in her room. She is also overweight and has no self.
So like you can see clearly, the voice over is AI they use. This channel has 3 million subscribers. They are making between 5.4, about 5k to 87k monthly. So if you see, it's just voiceovers they use and clip from the movies. So they just see. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started. First what you need is the voiceovers. You need the voiceovers. Two, you need the movies, at least the full length movies, so that you can cut certain clips out of it that you can join together and use for the video. And I'll show you how to get the script. To get the script, so for the movie we want to use for this example, I'm using a movie called Red. It was in 2010 by Bruce Willis. I really like that movie. So for example, you want to get the script for that movie, you just go to Google, type Red 2010 synopsis. So it brings a couple of results out. So I usually go for IMDb. It's more detailed. So go to the synopsis. Here, don't just copy the synopsis. What you do is, after copying the synopsis, go to Quillbots and paraphrase it so that it will be more original. So if you don't have the premium version, you can use the free version, but I have the premium, so I can copy unlimited text. It's about 4,000 words. So like this, copy it, paraphrase it, so that it'll be more original. And after that, we have to convert this text. We have to convert this text to speech. That's what we're going to need for the video. So there are a lot of different text to speech softwares. There's morph.ai. There are tons, but I found out that the best so far, and the one that I've been using, is Clipchamp. They have realistic voice. The voice is very realistic. So you can use this particular software to convert the text to speech. Usually, yeah, it's paid for. This is more like a text to video software, but there's a trick I want to show you. For the text to speech aspect, you don't need to pay anything. So we are doing this thing completely free. So all I have to do is start a video from scratch, and couple of things open. So you click on record and create, then text to speech. Then you see a couple of things loading, you see different voices. I don't want to go over this just for the sake of the video. I'll just leave everything general, but let's just test how to see how this sound. Looking.
We are looking for the best voice.
See how this sounds good. So let's just use this. Let's use the female voice. So for example, let's say you've paraphrased everything. For the sake of time, let me just use this one. I already have the audio to use, but I'm just trying to consider time and all that. So it's just to save. It prepares the media. So what you just have to do when it's done, just export it. It will export in MP3 format, but it already has the MP3 in there. So all you have to do is put it in a video editor and separate the audio from video. That's all. You have your audio. So I want to just skip this part because of time, because this video will be very long if I have to do all of that. So this is my editor. I use CapCut video editor. I feel it's the best editor out there for me that is free. So next phase is to import your MP3 of the speech you've already generated. Import it here. Get your movie clip. Bring your movie clip in here and separate the original audio from the video for the movie clips. Then all you have to do is just keep cutting, cut interval of 3. Then move ahead at least 10 seconds and cut the next interval of 3. That's how you do it. And you can also use certain things to align the video. You can slow it down so that the video stretches. I don't know if you understand. Just slow down the clip. If you go to the settings, once you click on that particular clip of the video, slow it down so that the video stretches and fills it up. So just keep cutting. Cut 3 seconds. Move down at least more than 10 seconds. Move down more than 10 seconds. Then cut another 3. So that's how you keep doing it. So this is just it. I put it together, and I can assure you, if you do this and upload it to YouTube, you won't get copyrighted because it falls within the fair use policy. So just get movies that you've watched, preferably the ones you've watched. You'll be able to, I think, relate with it more, and I think it's just easier if you watch the movie. Then when you're done, just add maybe a kind of like ambient background sound to it that is like uplifting. It kind of like gets people hyped when they're watching it, gets them more excited. Then also generate captions too. like CapCut generates captions, so you can use CapCut for everything. You don't have to use another editor. Then all you have to do is just put the movie name, add like subscribe button to it or something like that. Then you have your movie ready, and I can show you I've done this and I uploaded it, and the movie didn't get copyrighted. I want to show you where I uploaded a draft. So you can just be doing this, do this consistently, at least 2 videos per day, 3 videos per day. If you continue doing this for a month, in 2 months your channel can get monetized and you can start earning passive income from YouTube. Like, you can see this is a movie I was just talking about, where it's 2010 subscribe. This is it, and you can see it passed the checks. There's no issue found. So like this, I can just keep on uploading movies. I've uploaded a couple of movies to the channel. Like I say, everything I say here, I do them. I'm not some other YouTuber that just comes out and tell you things that are vague and don't seem like something that is doable. But this, once you just keep on doing it, the result just keep coming, and before you know it, your channel blows up and you are getting more views and the income starts coming in. So you can get started on this. Everything's easy. If you have any question, let me know in the description what area I should concentrate on, or maybe do a more in-depth tutorial on. So that's just how to go about it from beginning to the end. So if you like this video, if it was of value, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you want me to cover an area so that will be more in depth, at least that will be a longer video, so that I'll do that. I just want to just bring this to your attention of what is possible and what is not. So just hit me up in the comment section and I'm going to answer any question you ask. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.